An inside view now into a growing crisis in Polk County, hospital patient dumping, something we've talked about here in the last couple of weeks. We were first to report to you about a local homeless shelter in Lakeland that was being overwhelmed with the problem. Fox 13's Carla Byron has been investigating now the issue and has obtained more police body camera video. Watch.
You got your ID on you?
Yeah.
Let me get that from you.
On January 20th, a Lakeland police officer responds to US 98 and George Jenkins Boulevard for a panhandling incident.
Did I do something wrong?
Yeah, panhandling's illegal.
I didn't know that.
The man says he came from St. Augustine. He has only been in the city for about a week, and he has been homeless for a year.
But who brought you here?
The people from the Advent Health from the land brought me to the Lakeland hospital.
The man says Lakeland Regional Health discharged him and then took him to a homeless shelter in the area.
Okay, so the hospital just threw you out the front door and didn't offer you a ride back to Advent land?
No.
That's pretty crappy of him, man.
Yeah.
All right, well, I understand if you just got here and you don't know the rules.
Talbot House, a homeless services provider, previously told us hospitals dumping patients on their doorstep has become a growing crisis because they don't have the medical capabilities to take care of them.
And they say that they've called us, but we haven't received a call. They tell them that there's going to be a bed waiting for them, but there's no bed waiting for them. They show up on our door.
And a vast majority of the time, the patients themselves don't know where they're going. LRMC says it has protocols for discharging patients. In a statement, the senior VP of administration wrote, Lakeland Regional Health is required to have a safe discharge plan for patients. We may discharge a patient to a shelter or other living facility if that's where the patient is or has been residing. On a daily basis, we routinely coordinate and communicate directly with local agencies prior to discharging patients from our facility to ensure appropriate placement for our patients. Lakeland Police says they don't have any firm numbers as of right now as far as how many incidents they respond to on a daily or weekly basis, but they are working with the Polk County Homeless Coalition to get a better grasp of the issue.
We don't allow panhandling here in Lakeland.
The officer gave the man a verbal warning and then led him on his way. It's unknown if he was able to make it back home to St. Augustine. Reporting in Lakeland, Carla Byron, Fox 13 News.